In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to stabilize yourself on a proprioception disc. These are also called stability balls, or alternatively stability boards or wobble boards. So there's lots of names for these. Now firstly, we have two sides here, right? We have a spiky side and we have a more flat side. If you're doing this in trainers, you won't feel any difference between the two sides. If you're doing it in barefoot or socks, you'll get a little bit of acupressure through the foot. That's nice for some people, but it doesn't really affect what we're doing too much in terms of balancing on this proprioception disc. So the main thing with these types of activities, balance activities, really there is a chance of injury. There's a chance and risk of someone falling over. So it's really important that we minimize this, but also get the maximum out of trying to balance. So how I would do this is, what I want to make sure is I've got my hands up against a wall to start off with. If I then need that wall, it's there in front of me. If I do this in the middle of the room and I fall over and I can't quite catch my balance or sprain my ankle, it's going to be and end up in an injury. So let's make sure that we have the safest variable way to do this, which is trying to do it unassisted, but if we need assistance, we've got a fixed object, or in my case, a wall here, right? So I'm going to place both my hands on the wall. I'm then going to bring myself into a stable position. I'm going to bring my chest back, and my hands can be anywhere I want. And what I'm looking to do is keep the midfoot of my feet completely flat, and I'm making sure that I'm not toes pointed down or toes pointed up. I'm trying to keep completely in the middle of the proprioception disc. Once you've done that, you would then stand off whilst you've got both hands on that fixed object, and that would be the safest way to do any balancing drills on the proprioception disc.